Now you got to get some momentum, so bring up your speed a little bit. Because going uphill, you don't want to roll back when you pull over to stop. Just past this next driveway here, we'll pull it over to the right side of the road using your, yeah. Just past the broken stuff. Yeah. That's really good spacing. Hang on, wait. Let the car stop fully before you change gears. There you go. Okay.
I literally said that to turn left.
I was going to let you follow through with that just to show you what would happen. There you go. You felt that little bump?
Yeah.
Okay, so that means you're secure. Now you can go ahead and finish.
Now let's press that button.
No. This is, no, get your wheels in. We'll operate a car. Now, don't forget to take the park with you.
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So, like, there's an order to